So what I've done here is I've just linked these layers together by pressing Ctrl and then linking at the bottom. I've got this image down here now. Okay, I'm going to drag it down. Don't know if I want the two male images together. Perhaps I'll just leave it on the right hand side for now. Okay, I'll scroll up here, scroll with my mouse button, and I'll look at this image and I'll just bring that down there perhaps. I want to rotate that, so I'm just going to match that and press enter. We're all going to change that in a second, but I'd like to zoom in actually and see what happens. So I'm just going to drag that, edit, undo. So let me just drag that on the plus zoom button. Okay, click on that again and rotate it so that it matches what happens down there. Now I'm going to see what happens if I sneak that off the page a little bit. Let's see what happens. So we are starting to play a little bit here. Something like that. I'm going to link these three images together, but maybe this is the kind of size that we can use. So I'm just going to press enter and see what happens there. So I've rotated and placed that image over there. Again, there are many ways to do this. I'm going to click on the next photograph, which is the girls, with a girl group with a boy, and we're going to do something similar here. Again, I'm just going to rotate the image so that it kind of matches. I'm not quite sure exactly how I'm going to make this happen yet, but it's kind of matching there. I'm going to perhaps match it up later. There are ways to do this. Just do a rough design, a rough layout of what happens here. I'm reasonably happy with what happens. I like the way the two lines go, so I'm just going to press enter and that'll settle. And then I'm going to scroll down and look at the third photograph, and I'm also going to rotate that one. Now this is the one that I was a bit worried about because it looks quite a lot like this guy, the same kind of angle, so I might just replace that with another image. See, I'm not very happy with that. If I go Ctrl 0, let's see, these are not too bad, these two images down here. They are both in landscape format, so they're not too bad, but this image bothers me, so I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to turn it off.